the boat flipped. I thought the boat had flipped over, but it didn't. It just looked like it was flipped from the back. Oh, you're doing like little donuts? It turns on a dime, this thing.
Likey